All right, real quick, just want to do CPD 4B here, where we talk about marketing today and just a quick social media workshop. Won't take too long. So with the workshop here, just get out your smartphones and find a business in the health industry. That's kind of your focus, whatever that is. If it's physical therapy, if it's fitness, if it's hospital-based, nonprofit, wellness, etc. A good example is if you're having trouble thinking one, if you're a fitness person, just look at one Gold's Gym, something that's pretty big, pretty easy to find. Go ahead and pull that out, and as you look at their social media marketing and their website, when you pull that up, list the different number and types of digital media that they use on that site, and then think of ways that you can apply that to your marketing plan. The application of this is real simple then. What can we learn? What worked? Um, Probably what worked were things that were incredibly targeted to the right audience. So you being the audience and the client, they spoke to you. Those were the things that worked. So we want to make sure we're doing things in our marketing plan that speak to our audience, not necessarily us. Okay. It was probably really simple, but there was some creative and some way engaging it. Again, 7 seconds is the attention span. Otherwise, we're moving on to something else. It needs to be, we've all been on those websites where they're just hard to navigate. So if it was easy to navigate and use, and again, the visual is real key, then we probably um, stuck with it. Again, think of all the social networking services, Facebook, apps, YouTube, smartphones, etc., and ways that you can apply that into your overall marketing plan. Again, just go to your smartphone, go ahead and research and look at different things, trends, things you like, things you didn't, and we can learn from both of those and apply that to your marketing plan. Thanks.